This bird kills with a kick faster than you can blink. 15 milliseconds, and it's already over. It hunts the deadliest snakes on Earth, on foot. Its enemies fear those legs. But one fearless killer refuses to back down. This is the secretary bird. Standing over 4 feet tall, it looks almost fragile. Long, thin legs. The head of an eagle. But those legs are weapons. Each stomp hits with 5 times the bird's own body weight. That's like kicking with the force of a small motorcycle. Over and over. The strike is so fast the human eye can't follow it. Just 15 milliseconds of contact. Quicker than a blink. Thick scales shield its legs from bites. And it doesn't rely on strength. It aims for one spot. The head. Because the target it was built for is the one thing most animals in Africa fear. A cobra rises from the grass. Hood flared. Venom ready. A single bite could kill a grown man. The bird doesn't back away. It spreads its wings, part shield, part distraction. Then the legs blur. Stomp, stomp. Every kick aimed at the skull, too fast for the snake to count. Even a black mamba, the fastest venomous snake alive, rarely lands a hit against those pre-aimed strikes. Seconds later, the snake stops moving. The bird swallows it whole. But not every enemy runs from those legs.